Welcome back to Future Car, your ultimate destination for the latest, boldest, and most exciting innovations in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance machines of the future, the 2026 BMW M6. And let me tell you, this one is going to turn a lot of heads. The M6 has always been a statement car. Big power, sleek design, and pure driving pleasure. But the 2026 model is taking things to another level. BMW is blending its iconic M DNA with cutting-edge tech, electrified performance, and design that looks like it came straight out of a concept sketch. So what's under the hood? Reports suggest that the 2026 M6 will be powered by a hybridized version of BMW's legendary 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, pushing out somewhere north of 700 horsepower. That's right, we're talking supercar numbers. And with electric assistance, we can expect instant torque, lightning-fast launches, and possibly a 0-60 time in the low 3-second range. It's not just fast, it's ferocious. But BMW isn't stopping at power. The new M6 is expected to ride on the brand's updated CLAR platform, stiffer, lighter, and more adaptive than ever. That means sharper handling, better efficiency, and a driving experience that balances luxury and raw aggression in perfect harmony. And yes, xDrive all-wheel drive will almost certainly be standard, with a rear-biased setup for that true M-car feel. Visually, the 2026 M6 is bold. Think sculpted body lines, wider fenders, massive intakes, and laser-sharp LED lighting. BMW is refining its design language to look aggressive without being over-styled. And thankfully, it seems like they've learned from the mixed reception of some of their more recent grille designs. The M6 looks athletic, low-slung, and unmistakably premium. Inside, expect a tech-packed cabin with BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, a curved digital display, and sustainable materials throughout. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and advanced ambient lighting will make the cabin feel both futuristic and performance-focused. And let's not forget, it'll be loaded with driver assistance features and over-the-air updates, keeping it fresh long after it leaves the factory. BMW is clearly aiming to make the 2026 M6 a true flagship, not just for speed or looks, but for what the M badge stands for: innovation, precision, and passion. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or just someone who loves high-performance cars, this is one you'll want to keep an eye on. Thanks for watching Future Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a glimpse into the future of driving. See you in the next video.